In the vast land of marketing strategies, I'm sure you would agree that inbound marketing and content marketing are two terms that are often smushed together and used interchangeably as if they were one. But what if I told you this was incorrect, and by understanding both the differences and the expectations of each strategy, you would most likely see a positive increase in your marketing results? Well, stick around, I got you. Because in this video, I'm gonna discuss 3 of the top common areas where the lines get blurred with these two strategies. Hey, what's going on, people? It's Terrence here, video content producer extraordinaire, and today we have a banger. We're gonna talk about inbound marketing and content marketing. Now, we're not here to compare the two, we're not here to say which one is better than the other, but we are gonna talk about the 3 top common gray areas that we kind of fall into when we discuss the two, and those are deliverables, roles, and goals. Let's get it. Deliverable outcomes. Let's begin with inbound marketing. It's difficult to discuss inbound marketing without mentioning buying personas. This is because inbound marketing is going to zero in on specific buying personas. That being said, the deliverable outcomes of inbound marketing are going to take different shape. With inbound marketing, you're gonna have a focus on website design. Remember, you're focusing and targeting a specific buying persona. You should have a great understanding of what your prospects need at every stage of their buyer's journey. The content on your website should be produced and positioned in a way to turn your website visitors into leads. Inbound marketing will also have a focus on social media. You probably have a good idea of which social platforms your prospects hang out on. These platforms are great for promoting your content. Share your blogs, your newsletters on your social sites. How about taking your longer videos and trimming them down to bite-sized clips that we call short-form content, which, by the way, is taken over by storm. For more of that, check this episode right here of Solving Inbound. It's bananas. And finally, when we talk about deliverable outcomes for inbound marketing, we have to mention SEO, paid advertisement, and permission-based email, which I won't go deep into here. Those can be individual videos on their own, but I had to include them in the conversation. Content marketing deliverable outcomes. The deliverable outcomes for content marketing strategies focus on a broader audience. We're not too worried about website conversion rates and social media monitoring. No, we just want to make sure that we have good methods and processes of distributing valuable content on a consistent basis. And we want to do this across multiple channels. Most importantly, we want to make sure that this content is answering questions that our prospects have. One of the most common questions is, well, who's responsible for managing all this content? Let's begin with inbound marketing. The person that takes ownership of inbound marketing should be someone who oversees the entire marketing department. So that's most likely gonna be your CMO, your VP of marketing, or your marketing director, whatever you call that person at your company. But why? I'll tell you, my dear friend. This person is most likely in meetings with other department heads. They're gonna have a solid understanding of the overall vision and business goals of the company. In addition, this person is going to be able to contribute to the conversations pertaining to SEO, social media, lead nurturing, and all the other aspects of inbound marketing. Now, they might not specialize in any of these areas. However, they should know enough to make sure that these aspects are aligned with the overall business goals of the company. Your content manager is going to own the responsibility for your content marketing output. What does that mean? Relax, I got you. This individual will have laser focus on a few specific things, which include building an editorial calendar, building a content creation process, booking interviews with all in-house subject matter experts, and stressing the importance of using content during the sales process. This person will also have a broad understanding of the entire inbound marketing strategy, but their major focus will be on writing, editing, publishing, and of course, promoting the content. And finally, let's talk goals, baby. You may be surprised. Now, I never said I had all the answers, but my opinion is valuable. And I think the overall goals of both strategies are very similar. Now, I could nitpick and find individual goals for each strategy, but let's think big picture. Listen up. This right here brings everything together. Whatever strategy you're gonna use, the overall goal should be to attract, engage, and convert leads into customers. And this is done by creating content that supports, educates, and answers the questions your prospects have. In short, solve their problems. Boom! And that's a wrap for this one, folks. In this video, I covered 3 of the top common areas where the lines get blurred between the two, which include deliverables, roles, and goals. You're probably scratching your head saying, wow, I should be doing both. And you should, so get to it. And hey, if you got any value from this video, be sure to like, share, subscribe, Hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. We got content on the way that's going to be straight fire. It will change the way you think about marketing. But right now, I need you to visit the comment section. Let us know what you've been through, what you're going through, in the marketing space, of course. Tell us about your struggles, your victories. Let's get the conversation rolling. That's how we support and help each other grow. Live well and always be marketing. And I'm out. Peace.